In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion formulas to convert minutes to hours. If you're looking to get a better grip on managing your time through smarter data handling in Notion, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and get started with these straightforward yet powerful steps. First, you'll want to open up Notion on your device. This is your starting point, the hub of your digital workspace where you can organize everything. Once you've got Notion open, you're ready to move on to creating a new page. Simply start a new page to keep things neat and focused. You can name it something like time conversion or whatever suits your purpose. It's important to have a dedicated space for working on these calculations, especially if this is something you'd like to come back to later. Now that you've got your new page ready to go, the next step is to create a Notion table. Tables are incredibly versatile and great for keeping information organized in a way that's easy to scan and utilize. On your new page, add a table, which will serve as your primary tool for handling and converting your time data. Inside this table, you need to set up two key properties, hours and minutes. These are essential for the calculations you'll be performing. Make sure they're both set as number properties, as this will allow Notion to perform the necessary arithmetic for conversion. Once your table is in place with hours and minutes as your main properties, it's time to write the actual conversion formula. In Notion, this is straightforward. For the hours column, you'll need to employ a formula that takes the number in the minutes column and divides it by 60, as there are 60 minutes in an hour. So your formula would look something like prop minutes to 60. This simple equation will automatically convert any number of minutes you enter into the corresponding number of hours. To ensure your results are user-friendly and easy to read, the last step is to round or format your results neatly. Notion allows you to format numbers so they appear in a clean, accessible manner. You might want to round to the nearest hundredth for precision or even format as a plain number depending on your preference. This will ensure that as you glance at the table, the information is digestible at a moment's notice, without unnecessary decimal points cluttering up your data. And there you have it, a functional and efficient way to convert minutes to hours using Notion's robust formula capabilities. You now have a useful tool at your disposal that you can adjust and tailor to fit various projects. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful, and I encourage you to explore further and see how you can leverage Notion formulas to enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.